If you're walking down Dover Street in downtown Easton, you may notice the sounds of construction coming from the building next to Shore United Bank. With the help of a diligent and skilled team of workers, Shore United is making excellent progress on their new downtown office space. Scott Beatty, President and CEO of Shore United, took us on a tour of the building and walked us through the process of the renovation.
Well, I think it's been about at least a year in the making. It took us a while to get all the drawings, all the approvals from the Historic District Commission, the town building permits, and frankly, the supply chain issues are a problem too. So we had a lot of engineering work to do down here, as you can imagine, with a building that's this old. There was a lot of work here in the basement, as you can see. I mean, all the bricks have had to be repointed. A lot of places they had to be replaced. A lot of these piers had to be redone. You can see all the studding we put down here with this additional support. And you can see even on the outside, we put all the arch windows back down the side, and we're replacing them all in the front. And it's just, I mean, we're putting it back the way it was. It's obviously the front of the building, which has the most appeal to me. We're going to redo kind of what was done late. And then we've got the original glass block above, which you can see in the picture, is still there. We're preserving that. It's above the windows. The windows will go almost all the way down the street. Look like they did in 1920. And then down the side of the building, we're restoring all these old archways, which you can see up here. They were all filled in. We're putting the original arch windows back. Clearly, we're headquartered in Easton. Most of our executive team is on Dover Street. I mean, this is a significant historic building for the town of Easton, obviously in some form of disrepair that, we felt it was important to us, having been right next door, and to the town to go ahead and do a good job and restore this. We found a picture from 1920, and obviously wanted to restore it to its, historic greatness.